COVID-19 pandemic impacted the performance of the construction equipment industry in Europe during 2020, but not as badly as feared. Performance varied enormously within the sector. Light and compact equipment sales remained almost unaffected by the crisis, experiencing a 3% drop, while sales of capital-intensive heavy construction equipment, which fell by 19%, more closely resembled the wider economic uncertainty. By taking these disparities into account and weighing the high number of light compaction equipment, the market drop was 11%. Across Europe, market patterns reflected the severity of the pandemic and lockdowns. The impact was most greatly felt in the second quarter, when markets fell by 28% compared with the previous year. Yet by the third quarter, sales were flat year-on-year, and by the fourth quarter they were up by 9%, as business postponed in the first half of the year materialized. Despite the challenging circumstances, the market is still 120% above the 2009 trough. From a geographical point of view, the outliers were Italy and Turkey, with the former maintaining levels of the previous year, while the latter recovered from its 2019 crash. Taking a sector-by-sector look at the data, earth-moving equipment sales fell by 11% in 2020, while tower cranes fell by 14%. Concrete equipment sales fell by 20%, and unlike other sectors, did not pick up in the last quarter, where sales were down 22% year-on-year. Sales of road equipment, on the other hand, grew by 1.7% in 2020. The outlook for 2021 depends on the battle between the virus and the vaccine, but CECE's Business Climate Index records a significantly more positive sentiment than at the outbreak of the pandemic a year ago. Growth of 5% is expected in the European market in 2021, although given the continued uncertainties of the pandemic, a flat market would not be a disappointment. To find out more, download our annual report.